Mayor, ilang days na po pa nagpungana. Kumusta na yung saang stage na po tayo?
Well, ito, nasa planning tayo ngayon. Nasa planning stage pa rin ng security natin, security plan natin. In fact, this week I'll be meeting again with the Philippine National Police at yung mga emergency response group natin, and together with the volunteers para titingnan ko yung plano natin. Although definitely 90% of the entire plan is already a template. Kasi naman napakaganda. But we need to really work on yung crowd control. Kailangan kasi yung crowd control dyan para hindi mangyari yung bigla na lang magkaroon ng mob. Hindi mo maiwasan eh. So kailangan talaga yung mga buffer zone. So yung lessons natin ng mga previous events na marami na naging successful naman, basically yun din ang magiging template natin dito. We're going to make some adjustments lang kasi may mga nadagdagan pa yung mga events na ang dami natin events eh. Ang daming events. Naka-line up yung mga events for Panagbang eh. I think we have about more than a dozen events. Nandyan yung, siyempre, yung street parade, nandyan yung float parade, nandyan yung Baguiong Blooms, nandyan pa yung yung landscaping event, nandyan din yung market encounter. Dami nating events for this Panagbengan. So kailangan talaga we have to make sure that people are secured and safe. That's why we need all the help we can get from the Philippine National Police, from the uniformed services, and from the other volunteers and community groups.